Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the government or the courts seizing a scammer's BMW X6. Now, Jamaica has a lot of powerful laws. The courts have a lot of power. But what happens is these court cases take so long that, and I guess there are so many of them, that it seems as if it takes forever to get justice. And it takes so long that believe that people forget about the cases and believe that the laws in Jamaica are weak or they don't work. But they are very strong and they do work. But unfortunately, it takes time to build these cases and get them heard in the court. So in this case, the court ruled that the scammer was to pay $12 million and the court was to take away his BMW X6. So this scammer received money. He then gave the money, or he then bought a BMW X6, but he didn't buy it in his name, he bought it in somebody else's name. But during the investigation, the authorities traced the money that came in and then linked that money to the purchase of the X6 in somebody else's name. So because of that, and they went through the court process because only the courts can order such a thing, the court ruled that the BMW was to be seized. The person was to forfeit the BMW and pay $12 million to the court. So that's what happened. Even though the car was in somebody else's name, the authorities traced the money used to buy the car to the scammer. So we are going to give you more information on what happened here. The Financial Investigations Division, FID, acting as Jamaica's Asset Recovery Agency under the Proceeds of Crime Act, POCA, has secured a consent order in the Supreme Court in connection with civil recovery proceedings tied to a lottery scam activity dating back to 2010. Now, remember we said that it takes long for these cases to be processed and go through the courts. It's now 2026 and the lottery scamming activity happened in 2010. According to the FID, the case arose from a civil recovery application filed under sections 57 and 58 of POCA. The agency alleged that assets acquired by Simnel Mullins were linked to proceeds derived from unlawful conduct. Court documents outline that between September 2009 and December 2010, Mullins reportedly received multiple remittances from various senders in the United States. Under the consent order granted in late January 2026, Mullins has been ordered to pay a total of $12 million to the FID. An initial payment of $4.5 million has already been made, while the remaining $7.5 million is to be paid in 16 equal monthly installments of $469,000. The first installment is due by the end of February 2026. The court also ordered the forfeiture of a 2012 BMW X6 to the FID. Although the vehicle was registered in the name of an associate, financial investigations determined that Mullins was the beneficial owner. The FID emphasized that civil recovery is a key component of Jamaica's asset recovery framework, allowing authorities to remove the financial benefit of unlawful activity through court-supervised legal processes. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.